Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video is a guide towards buying the best electric toothbrushes based on their battery type, what action cleans teeth, charge indicator light, speed, timer, pressure sensor indicator bristles, and range of heads. Let's take a closer look at each of these 5 best electric toothbrushes. This is OralB Genius 9000 electric toothbrush. Dentist-inspired round brush head oscillates, rotates, and pulsates to break up and remove plaque. It has an intelligent brushing system with new gum guard technology to help the brush as your dentist recommends. With the distinct position detection technology and round brush head, you will never miss a zone while removing up to 100% more plaque than a standard manual toothbrush. This means healthier gums and a wider smile starting from the first day of brushing by removing surface stains. Also, Genius 9000 comes with a lithium-ion battery that lasts more than 2 weeks with one full charge. By connecting the Genius 9000 to the OralB app, the Gum Guard feature maps where you are brushing too hard, and provides feedback for a gentler routine. It has 6 modes, including the sensitive mode, and you can personalize your brushing experience. The sensitive mode operates at a lower speed to gently clean teeth and gums. This elegantly advanced toothbrush protects your delicate gums, and helps prevent future issues. The combination of the new revolutionary Gum Guard technology, 360 smart ring, and pressure control alert, that reduce speed when you brush too hard, and tell you where you overbrush for a gentler routine makes it an ideal for your teeth. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is AquaSonic Vibe Series Ultra Whitening Electric Toothbrush. It is packed with the most up-to-date technology in sleek, beautiful, inducing colors, at very low price as compared to other expensive electric toothbrushes in the market. It features an ultra-powerful and industry-leading motor producing 40,000 vibration per minute, ultra-fast wireless charging, 4-mode operation, smart vibration timers, 8 DuPont-engineered brush heads and bristles, and a travel case, all with a sleek ultra-slim, lightweight, and IPX7 waterproof design. As per the company, AquaSonic removes 10 times more plaque along the gum line than a manual toothbrush, and 3 times more plaque than legacy outdated electric toothbrushes. Whitening mode helps whiten teeth by using inverted frequencies to dissolve surface stains. Massage mode goes beyond teeth to improve gum health by delivering soothing microbursts into tissue to improve circulation and overall health. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart Sonic Electric Toothbrush. Its 4 high-performance brush heads let you focus on all areas of your oral health, and the smart sensor technology gives you personalized feedback and coaching. The DiamondClean Smart comes with 3 best brush heads, and Tongue Care Plus tongue brush, so you get exceptional results. As per the company, the premium plaque control brush head removes up to 10 times more plaque from hard-to-reach areas. A microchip in the brush head tells the DiamondClean Smart which one you are using. So if you connect the Gum Care brush head, your toothbrush will know to select the optimal mode and intensity to provide a gentle yet effective clean for your gums. All you need to do is to press the power button, means the smart sensors take the guesswork out of brushing. DiamondClean Smart comes with 5 modes which cover a range of brushing needs. 3 intensities allow you to choose between a higher setting to boost your clean, and a lower one for more sensitive mouths. Store your spare brush heads hygienically in the handy case. You get up to 2 weeks of regular use from a single full charge. Simply put it into the sleek glass charger after brushing, and it instantly starts charging. Your glass charger makes a stylish addition to your bathroom, and it doubles as a rinsing glass. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is OralB Genius Pro 8000 Electronic Power Rechargeable Battery Electric Toothbrush. It is one of the OralB's advanced electric toothbrush. It comes with position detection technology which uses your smartphone, and facial recognition technology to provide you with real-time feedback about your brushing habits. Just like Genius 9000, you can use the OralB app to seamlessly pair your Genius with a smartphone, and you are on your way to brushing like your dentist recommends. The 360 smart ring with LED lights allows you to personalize your brushing experience with your choice of 12 colors. Together, they help you ensure you brush for the recommended 2 minutes, while making sure you brush with appropriate pressure to protect your gums from overbrushing. The premium smart travel case lets you charge the brush with USB connection. It features 6 brushing modes, so you can further customize your brushing experience based on your specific oral care goals. As per OralB, this highly advanced brush features a dentist-inspired round head that surrounds and cups each tooth with dynamic oscillating, rotating, and pulsating movements to remove up to 500% more plaque than a regular manual toothbrush. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is iTeknic Cordless Water Flosser for teeth. Brushing teeth is not enough for us to protect our oral health. So regular use of flosser helps to remove plaque and food stuck between teeth to prevent tooth holes, tooth decay and even tooth loss. This cordless advanced water flosser allows you personalize your water pressure intensity with normal, soft and pulse options. Dentists recommend daily use of oral irrigator to own healthier teeth and improve your oral health. iTeknic Cordless Portable Water Flosser adopts advanced technology and excellent design, effectively remove 99.9% of dental plaque, solve a variety of oral problems. It allows you to show confident and charming smiles. It features an extra quiet design and 4-hour rapid magnetic charger. With an electronic pressure control and 3 settings, lets you personalize your water pressure intensity with low, medium, and high options. Plus it is waterproof and can be used in the shower. The combination of dental water jet pressure and pulsations can deeply clean between teeth and below the gum line, get rid of harmful bacteria and debris that traditional brushing, air flossing, and string flossing can't reach. The 360 degrees rotating nozzles can be used for in-depth cleaning of hard-to-reach areas, facilitating the cleaning of crowns, bridges, braces and implants. Waterproof design to make it easy to clean as well as convenient to use even in the shower. High-pressure pulsed water, deep clean mouth, prevention of a variety of oral problems. Stick to use, you will have healthy teeth and gums, show confident smile. Be mindful, and don't use flosser if you have dental ulcers, open oral sores. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is the end of the video. Please like and share if you find this video useful, and press the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you for watching.